Welcome to the Winding Creek development here in Annville, Pennsylvania. My name is Aaron Rissinger with the Living in Central PA team. Today we're going to be showing you this beautiful community. Now you may have remembered this community from our previous video last year, 55 plus community. We did the top 10 55 plus communities in the central Pennsylvania area. Today we're here with Nicole. She's the sales manager here for the development. Thank you, Nicole, for letting us come in and see this development.
Well, thank you for coming. I'm very excited to tell you more. Winding Creek offers convenient living for 55 plus. We have a variety of floor plans that are single-story homes or two-story with first floor owner suite. Our most popular floor plan is the Northfield. I actually have two that are built that are ready for sale. We also have the Ashdon floor plan, which is a very popular plan as well. That is a single-story plan. I have 6 homes that are built that are ready for sale, and then we have a variety of home sites that somebody could choose to customize as well. We're currently building in phase 1, so we have lots of future opportunity, and we plan on opening phase 2 in fall, so that's coming soon.
How many phases are there?
There'll be 4 in total.
4 total.
So there'll be 343 homes. And we have in phase 2 and phase 4, small pockets of twin villas. So single and then duplex models as well. Nice,
a variety.
Yes. So not only do we have fantastic floor plans, but the homeowners that live here get to utilize the amenities that we have. We are currently sitting in the clubhouse. We call this the club at Winding Creek. There is plenty to do inside and plenty to do outside. So I'm excited to show you that as well.
All right, well, thank you, Nicole. I'll tell you what, let's take you around to a few different model homes, show you around the clubhouse, and we're gonna get after it right now.
Welcome to the club at Winding Creek. Come on in and take a look.
So Nicole, tell us a little bit about the club at Winding Creek.
So inside of our clubhouse, we have lots of amenities. We have a fitness room for individual workouts, and then we have a group workout room where we offer yoga every Monday and Friday. We have big gathering spaces, so the homeowners here can get together, whether it's pinochle, bunco, game night, happy hour is a big one. Everyone likes to utilize this inside space as well as outside. We have a game room where there's a pool table, and right now the homeowners are really into doing puzzles. So we like to showcase all the puzzles they've completed, and then we have some out that they are currently working on.
And you can't miss this beautiful pool outside.
No, let's go outside and take a look at what we offer outside.
Sounds good.
Now let's take a quick sneak peek at what the outdoor amenities look like. We offer a heated saltwater pool, which we just opened for the season. We have 3 pickleball courts, bocce ball, and a putting green. One of the most unique features of the club at Winding Creek is our dog grooming room. We all know how important fur babies are, so we have a whole room dedicated to them. In the middle of all the amenities, we have an outdoor fire pit.
Next, we're gonna have Josh walk you through a couple of the top selling model homes here in the community. That way you can have an idea of what to expect if you're looking to move here.
So today we're going to bring you 2 home tours of their 2 top selling models here at Winding Creek, the Cooper, where we are at now, and the Ashdon. Now these are model homes, so they will be representing the highest upgrade options that are available here. So they will represent a different price point, but we'll go over all that at the end. I can't wait to show you. If you're looking for 55 plus, it doesn't get better than this. We've brought to you other videos on these 55 plus communities, and there are a lot of wonderful ones out here. These are stunning. I can't wait to show you. Come on in. Welcome to the Cooper. Upon entry, beautiful 10-foot ceilings here in this model. A study den to my left with tray ceilings, a full bath, and the first full bedroom here within just 10 feet of entry. We've got all those major rooms. Beautiful wainscoting accents, and again, those great 10-foot ceilings. Very, very wide open expanse here into our kitchen and our living room. Also an open staircase leading to a gorgeous finished basement, which we will show you soon here again. That is an added upgrade, as are several of the other features of this model home, including the 10-foot ceilings and the hardwood floors. To my right, we have a mudroom, laundry room with tile floor, large coat closet. These are all 8-foot doors. This will lead to your 2-car garage. A ton of natural light here in our living room, kitchen. Very, very open concept. Really, really vibing here in this space. I love the kitchen. We have quartz countertops, quartz backsplash, all modern appliances, all smart appliances. Deep basin sink, beautiful views, and a ton of natural light. We do have the lights on, but even with the lights off, you are easily able to read a book. You're really greeted by just a ton of natural light. It's very beautiful. Patio doors onto a deck with composite boards and plenty of space around. We are in the first phase of building here, so you'll see some pretty wide open spaces right now, which by the 4th phase will be developed. But you'll still have a nice backyard area here, beautiful deck to sit out and take in some sun and read. Making our way through the kitchen, we've got our pantry, large pantry here off to the side, built-in microwave as well. Making our way into the owner's suite, the primary bedroom, tray ceilings, lots of natural light again, and a walk-through bathroom, beautiful bathroom, walk-through to your walk-in closet. Double vanity sink, standing shower, separate toilet room, linen closet, and large walk-in closet here. Let's go check out the basement. This state-of-the-art finished basement features the top upgrades available here in this community. You've got another additional kitchen down here, as well as the half bath, beautiful luxury plank flooring, wainscoting, an additional gas fireplace down here, eat-in sitting area, plenty of space for recreation, plenty of space for relaxation. Beautiful, beautiful addition to this gorgeous home. Welcome to your new pantry. This model home would be available to you for a price point of about $800,000 if you chose the upgrades that we showed you today. The hardwood floors upstairs, the full finished beautiful basement, which we showed you, as well as the addition of the 10-foot ceilings. There is a home, Cooper model across the street for $555,000, which has 9-foot ceilings, luxury vinyl plank, and an unfinished basement. Still a gorgeous model. We would be happy to get information to you about any of the models here at Winding Creek. Just reach out to Aaron or myself. Let's go over to the Ashdon model and check that one out. All right, let's go check it out. So here, everything is just flipped in this model, so our main wall is to the left instead of right. But again, immediately upon entry, we do have access to our study, double doors, different design feature. We have barn doors on this model. You might like the double glass doors, you might like the barn doors. Continuing on, we do have the hardwood in this model, as well as the 10-foot ceilings here in the Ashdon. Kind of little coat area here as well, and a central little foyer. Again, just within about 10-12 feet, we've got our full bath, our study or den, and our first bedroom, very much like the last model. Main difference on this model is going to be our second floor. There is our second bedroom, as well as our second bathroom, and a reading area, kind of a sitting area up there as well, which we'll show you. That's going to be our main difference. The Ashton model that's available now is one floor. Here we're moving into our kitchen. Absolutely beautiful open kitchen, living room with gas fireplace and beautiful vaulted ceilings with beam accents. You also have the shiplap design in here, as well as large windows looking off into a all seasons room, which is absolutely beautiful this time of year. Moving through, we enter our formal dining area, which is well situated. A row of 3 windows brings in a lot of natural light here in this little corner pocket of the kitchen, which really opens up beautifully with these vaulted ceilings. You've got your island with that quartz, built-in dishwasher, deep basin sink, beautiful appliances, range with hood, and built-in shelving as well. Off of the kitchen is our owner's suite, our primary bedroom. Love the little pocket windows above the bed, vaulted ceilings, walk-through bathroom, double vanity. Check out this amazing standing shower and custom walk-in closet. Large, spacious kitchen, all stainless steel appliances, smart enabled. Come through here with me to see your large pantry, mudroom with some very nice finishing touches, and a 2-car garage. All right, let's show you the upstairs. Here at the top of the stairs, we find a landing. Could be a reading area, a game area, a great play space for the grandkids. It's got an extra bedroom here and a bathroom, so it offers privacy if you want to use it as a guest room or a 3rd bedroom for a family member. So there you have the Ashdon model. Now they are in phase 1. Ultimately, their plan is for 340 homes. So make sure to get in on phase 1. There is 4 phases. Call us at the Living in Central PA team and we will get you started. We'll see you.
Thank you, Nicole and Landmark Homes, for allowing us to come in here and view this beautiful community. Now, if you're looking for more information on this community, make sure you reach out to us here at the Living in Central PA team. We'll be happy to point you in the right direction.
Thank you very much, Aaron and Josh. I look forward to seeing many of you as new homeowners here at Winding Creek.